How to increase your tip after delivery on Instacart. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instacart on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on the three lines at the top left corner of your screen. Here, simply click on your orders. After you click on your orders, you'll find all your orders. Select the delivered order here. After you've selected the delivered order, find the tip area for the order and then press on increase. After you've pressed on increase, enter a higher tip amount and confirm it. After you do that, you're good to go. This is how to increase your tip after delivery on Instacart. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.